Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make peach praline pie. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 450 degrees. And place a half-sheet pan into the oven while it's preheating. This helps the pie to not come out underbaked on the bottom. Then in a large bowl, add in the sliced peaches. I'm choosing to use frozen peaches that I thawed ahead of time. You can use fresh if you prefer. Then add in the lemon juice, sugar, cornstarch, cinnamon, almond extract, which is optional, and nutmeg, and mix them together until they're combined. Then pour the filling into a chilled pie crust. I showed you how to make this pie crust in a previous video, and I'll link to it in the description box. Then roll out some more pie dough. And the design for the top of the pie is totally up to you. I'm choosing to use a lattice top, and to do that you just need to cut strips of the pie dough. And I'm choosing to also twist the strips, and then just lay them on top of the pie. And once you've laid the strips across the pie, lift up every other strip. Place another strip going across and lay the strips back over. Then pull back the other strips that weren't pulled before. Place another strip on top going across and fold them back over. And just repeat the process until you've reached the bottom. Then trim off any excess dough from the edges. And gently brush some milk on top of the pie to give it a nice golden brown color. You can use an egg wash if you prefer. And place the pie into the oven on top of the preheated baking sheet and bake it for 10 minutes. And turn the oven temperature down to 350 and bake it for another 30 to 40 minutes. While it's baking, you can make the praline topping. In a medium bowl, add the chopped nuts. You can use any kind you like. I'm choosing to use pecans and walnuts. And add in the brown sugar, salt, and melted butter, and mix them together until they're well combined. Once the pie is ready, remove it from the oven and sprinkle the praline topping all over the top. And return the pie to the oven and bake it for another 8 to 10 minutes. And once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 15 minutes, and you can serve it while it's still warm if you like, or leave it to cool completely and serve it at room temperature. And that's how to make peach praline pie. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.